friend here needs a gun.
And this? Well, this is the best help a man can get.
Oh, Leo, you're killing me with that cylinder spin, man. Guys, I am stoked to bring you a review on the new 2019 Ruger Wrangler. It is Ruger's new price point 22 revolver. And as you can tell, this one is the silver on black. It's Cerakote. It's not blued. So that's one of the ways that they can get the price of this revolver down to under $200. Went ahead and show everybody that it's unloaded. See if I can get some macro for you guys. The finish on this gun is just immaculate. What makes this stand out from the single 6 is a few key features. As you can tell, this one has the transfer bar safety right here, and whenever you pull the trigger, it's going to move up into the firing pin. That way you can carry the revolver loaded with 6 rounds. Like on a normal single 6, you would have to carry your revolver with 5 rounds, and your hammer would be resting on a empty chamber. One of the things I do like about it is the heavy knurling on the hammer itself. As you can tell, very slip resistant. The takedown screws or disassembly screws are Torx style screws. Very hard to strip those out. Another feature is how you load this gun. The loading gate comes open and it's spring loaded, and it actually disengages the cylinder latch to where you can rotate the cylinder forwards and backwards. You don't have to click, and you know, as you're trying to index it to push your spent rounds out. Now you do have to pay attention on this one because you can miss one, you can go the other way. Where on the single 6 or any 1873 variant single action revolvers are. Close the loading gate, index your cylinder, and she's ready to fire. The barrel is made of steel, and the frame itself is made of a it's an aluminum alloy. Everything else is made of steel. The barrel length is just a smidge over 4 inches, and it has a pretty good trigger pull of about 4 pounds. I'm not going to dry fire it. The Wrangler does not utilize the half cock. You can hear it. But it doesn't half cock like a normal single action revolver. The grips are just normal Ruger single 6 grips. These are just black polymer, and you can upgrade these to whatever you like. If you want some Pac Myers or some stag handle or whatnot, you can dress this gun up any way you like. This assembly, very super simple. Just do your loading gate like that, and then press the pin and pull your cylinder axle, and then the cylinder just comes right out. With the cylinder out, you can actually see how whenever you flip down the loading gate, it actually disengages the lug for the cylinder stop. So that's one of the good, cool features that this has over a single six style Revolver. They make 3 different variations of this Revolver. You'll have the silver on black, like the one that I own, and you'll have the burnt bronze on black, and then black on black. I plan on owning all 3. And for $179 plus tax, you can't beat it. Well, I flippin' love my 22 auto loaders, but this will be my first single action 22 Revolver. Had I not found out about these, the single 6 variant of this is about $500 to $600, so it's a little bit out of my price range. But I found this particular one at Atwood's. It was $179 plus tax. For some reason, they're not supposed to be different prices. All 3 variants are supposed to be the same price, but the burnt bronze one, for some reason, I guess it's more popular. They were running those for $199, and I said, no, y'all are gonna sell it to me for $179. They said, no, we're not. So when it comes down in price, or they get in trouble for jacking up the price on it, I'm not gonna buy it from them. I'm gonna wait until they go on sale somewhere else. But Ruger is a very well-known revolver maker, and I love my double action Ruger revolvers. This one just so happens to be the Ruger Super Red Hawk in 44 Magnum, and I've got the Wiggin scope mount on there. And matter of fact, I've got the scope at the shop being repaired, as I was shooting some pretty hot loads through it, and the my Nikon red dot scope took a crap. It went kablooey. So they're fixing it under warranty, and once we get it back, we're gonna get this, I call this my deer rifle. I'm gonna get this back and going, and super stoked. So anyway, guys, in conclusion, super awesome little 22 pistol for under 200 bucks. You can't beat it. The Ruger Wrangler, the best the man can get. This is going to be flying off the shelf very soon. The guy at the gun store said I was lucky. They had just got this one in, and boy, I snatched it up in a heartbeat. But she doesn't know it yet, but she'll find out when she watches this video. I bought this for my girlfriend so she could shoot the coons and the varmints and the snakes out of her chicken coop. And I'm gonna get some 22 rat shot for it, and I'm just gonna turn her loose with it, and ain't gonna be no more running in the house at 3 o'clock in the morning to get the 22 rifle out, for sure. She's gonna be able to take care of them herself. Anyway, guys, helped you out, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. The video will probably be demonetized, and I really don't care. I just love my guns. I love being a red-blooded, gun-toting American, and we'll see y'all on the next video.